Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Skil Weed Wacker on the market, the SKIL PWR Core 40 Brushless 40 volts 15 inches String Trimmer Kit. This cordless string trimmer is designed for efficiency and power without the hassle of gas. It comes equipped with a PWR Core 42.5 Ah lithium battery and auto PWR jump charger, ensuring longer runtime and enhanced battery life. Powered by a digital brushless motor, it delivers reliable performance and longer tool life compared to traditional gas-powered trimmers. Let's talk about the PWR Core 40 battery. It utilizes advanced lithium technology with cooling material, providing 25% longer runtime and twice the battery life. Loading the trimmer line is made easy with the innovative Smart Load feature, allowing for quick and hassle-free line replacements. With a 2-speed selector, you can optimize between maximizing power or extending runtime, depending on your trimming needs. Weighing just over 12 pounds, it's lightweight and ergonomic, enhancing maneuverability and reducing fatigue during extended use. In conclusion, the SKIL PWR Core 40 Brushless 40 volts 15 inches String Trimmer Kit is a top choice for homeowners looking for a reliable and powerful cordless trimmer. If you're ready to upgrade your trimming game with a tool that combines performance, convenience, and durability, this Skil Weed Wacker might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Let us know in the comments if you've used this trimmer or if you have any questions about its features.